Nonprofit organizations don't always get the latest technology or we get it last. Sage was really the only one that was really investing in developing that sector of the market. My name is Jolie Boo. I am the CFO at Samaritan House in San Mateo County. One of the greatest savers of time has been our audit. We give our auditors a login and they go in and we don't have to pull files. We don't have to do any of those things that would normally take several days. The other process we streamlined was payroll. Payroll usually took us a day and a half to process each payroll. Now we're down to about 3 hours. What Intacct has done is saved us staff time. I would probably say it has given us an additional, maybe a half-time FTE. And for us, that's super significant. We run a very tight budget, and so it's very important to us to stay within budget, being able to understand where we are so we don't have a big oops 3 months later and you can't make any corrections. You don't have time to make corrections. I've actually deployed dashboards out to all of our managers. They can go in and get the information themselves on a regular basis. They can monitor their budgets, they can drill down, they can see what's going on. And they've caught some errors. I know, God forbid we have errors, right? The flexibility of the reporting and being able to get really anything you want in the way you want it out has been amazing for us in terms of us being able to do more analytical work rather than transactional. I have been able to get in there, do the analyzing, answer questions very quickly. That has helped us quite a bit.